That's just the wind. Tree! Tree! That's a tree. Don't know, I just heard it. Sound like a tree. Oh, they lost power up there. They're done. Yeah. Wow. Tree! Tree! It's gotta be over there. Sound like over there.
Yeah. We get a better spot.
Another branch. Wow. Sirens over there. What? Wow. Yo. No, I am not walking. I'm outside right now, and I'm just, I'll wait. Wow. Bye. I think, it looked like a piece of the roof just flew off of Eddie's up top. It looked like something flew. It went that way.
Oh, Sandy's here.
Who's Sandy?
Oh yeah, Sandy.
Just be careful, please. What are you doing? That's not gonna do shit. It really looked like a piece of the roof, I don't know, or it was branch maybe. It just. What is it? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, they still have power down there. Oh, transformer. That's solar lights over there.
Stay out of the road. Come here. Come on.
Dad!
Yeah. Eddie's roof.
Eddie's roof.
Eddie's roof.
There. Dad, get out of the road, please. He's up there.
What?
They're bending like crazy. Dad, don't. What are you doing?
Oh, you put it by the mailbox.
Don't worry about cleaning up the branches right now. Dad, just come in. Oh.
Okay, that's another transformer.
That was a transformer.
Yeah.
A big branch came down right close to our deck.
Let me see.
Really? No, Dad, don't go
back
Dad,
that way.
Dad, don't go back. Dad.
Why are you being stupid?
Dad.
It's all right.
Branch hit them in the head.
Oh, Lord. Okay, we got...
Oh, but part of Grant has power.
Okay, we got signs. Another transformer. That's about 4 so far. One went over there, one went over there, one went over here. Look, all the leaves are gone. See that? All the leaves are gone. Blow up's still there, which is good.
Huh?
Blow up's still there.
Yeah.
Really windy. Oh, another transformer. That's over there.
I know.
Yeah, go see what... Another transformer. Another transformer. Another transformer out.
like branch fall.
Where?
Back.
So why are they out there?
That's on the deck.
Well, you just missed it. There was a wind here, and it literally blew like in my face.
Yeah, well, we were standing in back.
Nice. I just keep seeing transformer lights just glowing everywhere. It's crazy.
Julie has power.
How do you know?
Ellen. Julie?
She has a She has to have a generator.
She has to have a generator.
You can see it calms down, and then
Oh, there goes another one.
right away it picks up again.
It looks like
another
fire.
one. Huh? Yeah. Electrical fire. Electrical fire. Electrical fire.
What we call?
What's up, dude? No, I'm on my porch though. Yes. I'm not sure of, but yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's still flashing. Right there. Wires are going crazy.
Okay, yeah, definitely electrical fire up on Grand Street. Front ring.
Yeah, just come right in.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, oh yeah. Up, hey. Definitely up there.
Yeah.
Up there. Grand Street. Yes.
Yeah, you keep seeing like the red and orange like flashes. Oh. There goes
Transformer.
That. Oh, hello.
Power's out for 3 minutes. The morning's bored as hell.
Dude, I've been out here for 17 minutes.
Dude, the other side of Beacon has power.
Generators.
No, not generators. I tweeted, I was like, Deuce's power, and then Guido responded, was like, we're still good. You want to go walking to the other end of Beacon?
Not so much.
Why?
Right now?
So what? It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be like bad for a little bit. Get like the dollars and that's supposed to work.
This only that started.
Dude, I'm telling you. It's early. Everything's like 2 hours early, like finishes 2 hours early.
Okay.
What?
I don't think so.
Hell no.
And these roofs gonna have leaks on it soon.
Yep.
We lost a piece of siding. A piece of siding came off. That's what we heard fall.
Oh,
A piece of siding.
Did you get it?
Yeah, it's inside now. But my parents were just telling me they heard everything's 2 hours like early. It's gonna be here. It's supposed to be really windy. Then it's supposed to just turn all into rain.
Everything is snapping. In the backyard we have branches left and right.
Here we go. Here we go.
It's wild.
Yeah, another one.
There's the one over there. What?
I don't know if you'll see it, but
Yeah,
it's
it's right over here.
What?
there's a electrical fire.
Electric fire?
Yeah.
Behind my house?
Yes. Up on Grand.
Woo! Is someone taking care of that?
Probably.
Should I like call 911?
No. Another one up there. They're probably getting a lot of calls.
Or should I like evacuate the crib?
No. It's up on Grand. You're fine.
You're good.
Whatever it is, it's really right over there.
Right? It's right over there, I'm telling you.
Oh, there's lights flashing.
Oh, see, there you go.
No, they're taking care of it.
Yeah.
That's the wires on the ground.
Yeah, they're reacting to the water.
Yeah.
The dealership has their own generator.
Oh,
I think.
there you go.
yeah.
See? Nice.
That wasn't lightning before?
No.
No, that's all transformers.
It's all wires, bro.
Transformers. Oh, we ain't gonna have power for a week.
It's all wires. Yeah, see, it's going on right now. There's a fire. See how the light? See how
Yeah,
it's
there's
flashing?
fire.
It's a fire. And you can't extinguish it because you put water on it. It doesn't help.
reacts.
Right.
That's a fire.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Excuse me, John. I'm gonna go tell my parents,
Yeah. What?
No, the idiots next door that are renting have a trampoline. They left it out.
Right.
So my mother says, look outside, and there's something big black. She thought maybe a car flipped over.
Rick!
Wow. Almost.
Window screen right there. Look, right there.
Is it ours or?
I don't know, it might be Eddie's. No, it's gotta be Eddie's.
Eddie's.
Yep.
Eddie's.
Where is it?
It's behind the bush.
It went from, leave it.
Leave it.
Don't worry
I
about it.
know. The tree went down. No, a tree went down between Eddie's house and some, and Jeremy. I don't know if it hit his house.
Tree or?
Tree.
No, that was a tree.
That was a tree.
What?
Call up Jeremy.
I don't know if...
You might not have a phone that works.